How to check if your iPhone is original or fake. You can verify whether your iPhone is genuine using two simple methods. Method 1. Check the model number. First, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on General, then select About. Here, you'll see all the details of your iPhone. Look for the model number. If the model number starts with M, it means the device is brand new and purchased from Apple, online, or in-store. If it starts with F, the iPhone is a refurbished device. If it starts with N, it indicates a replacement device provided by Apple due to an issue. Method 2. Check the serial number. Go back to the About section and find the serial number. Copy it, then return to your home screen and open the Safari browser. Search for checkcoverage.apple.com and open the official Apple coverage page. Paste the serial number into the required field and tap Submit. You'll see the device's purchase details and warranty status. This information helps confirm whether your iPhone is original. Using these two methods, you can verify the authenticity of your iPhone.